Hi, this is Chef Pachi and I wanted to tell you about
this amazing idea of shopping for your food by groups. Vegetables for salads, vegetables for cooking, and vegetables for seasoning. Just in from the market, we have our seasoning vegetables first. 2 white or yellow onions, 2 red onions. I have some ancho chilies here. Then I have some tomatillos there too. And lime. We have some tomatoes, carrots, some green onion, cilantro, and rosemary. Both the rosemary and the ancho chilies will go for a month or 2. With the tomatillos, I'm going to make a sauce. With the carrot, I usually season my soups and legumes. My garlic, ginger, and turmeric, I usually freeze for a couple of months at a time. And here's the link for the full video so you can watch and be part of the 3rd class ahead of time. You can double or triple the amount of your seasoning vegetables and freeze them for the whole month. Greens and vegetables. Here we have some amazing leafy greens, some great vegetables, and some cruciferous vegetables too. We're going to use all of these for our salads and our breakfasts. For my salad, I have a couple of Boston bibs, some radish, spinach, kale, avocados, a couple of tomatoes, bell peppers, beautiful yellow bell peppers this time, and some purple cabbage. And one of the 2 carrots. Now, with the vegetables that we're gonna cook, let's try and always pick one for each day or one for 2 days. I start with my green beans. I have some beautiful zucchini, eggplant, broccoli, and cauliflower. I also usually get Brussels sprouts that I didn't get today, and these I will cook once or twice and have a cooked vegetable every single day. I can cook it on the same day and repeat and have it already cooked in the fridge, or I can just cook half of each. For my high carb vegetables, I have almost black ripe plantains, squash, Panamanian sweet potatoes, and I have yuca and green plantains. All beautiful, and these are very dark and black almost because I'm gonna make sweet plantains with them. They have to be completely black for the baked sweet plantains. With brown rice and potatoes, which I already had, and I usually refrigerate and freeze. These are the fruit that I got today. It's Monday, so there aren't a lot, but I could get, for my breakfast, I could get some bananas and I can get some blueberries. Those bananas I use for breakfast and for cookies and cakes. These, then I got for snacking as a fruit, grapefruit, oranges, and tangerines. For snacking in the afternoon, mangoes, apples that I also bake for my baked goods and breakfast, limes that go along with everything. Afternoon snacks are usually my favorite fruit of all, the watermelon and the papaya. Those are my basic afternoon snacks, with maybe mango. Morning snacks are usually the citrus, and breakfast I usually add blueberries or bananas. Enjoy! Chef Pachi!
Hola, soy Chef Pachi y hoy les quiero explicar cómo es de fácil hacer delicioso todo y saludable. A aprender a cocinar de forma simple y sencilla comida que sea saludable.
Vamos a comenzar con
¿Qué productos compro yo para la semana, para comer? ¿Qué frutas, qué vegetales? Y luego poco a poco vamos entrando a los pasos como congelo ciertos vegetales para no tener que estar picando todos los días, ya que normalmente las personas tienen que trabajar aún cuando estén en casa. De esa forma anda mucho más rápido la cocina y no tienen que estar todo el día pique, pique, pique. Hoy les quiero enseñar algo maravilloso, cómo hacer cantidades de frijoles, porotos, lentejas de forma espectacular, en una sola olla, sin hacer guiso aparte, sin utilizar grasas y que quedan deliciosos. Hoy con Chef Pachi les quiero mostrar algo maravilloso. ¿Y cómo te puede servir? Chef Pachi. Hi, this is Chef Pachi and I wanted to tell you about